Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in NBA 2K27 game. So without wasting time, follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is steps to fix sound or audio problem in NBA 2K27. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then click on sound. Scroll down, under advanced option click on more sound settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Then go to the spatial sound tab, and from the drop down over here, first select off option, then hit on apply, OK, and then relaunch the game and check. Now if that doesn't work and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, hit on apply, OK, and then again relaunch the game and check if the sound or audio problem is fixed or not. Fix is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the NBA 2K27 game menu and ensure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play or not. Fix 3 is steps to fix sound or audio problem in NBA 2K27 if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Go to services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click on apply and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4, set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if your problem is fixed or not. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix sound or audio problem in NBA 2K27. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.